Hey, I'm here to show you how to make a website that doesn't look like a cheap copy of someone else's design. Instead, I'll show you how to make one that's unique, looks great, and functions like a true professional website. I promise it's going to be quick and easy, even if you're a complete beginner. Since we want to build something truly unique, we'll need a website builder with lots of customization, but we also want it to be no code, so that all of you can follow along and learn how to build a website for yourself. I've tried plenty of no-code website builder options, and for this task, I'll go with Wix, because it's one of the most complete website builders today. It gives you every tool that you can think of, but doesn't forget that you might still be a beginner. Wix is a no-code website builder, and it also has an AI website builder to make getting started as easy as possible. So let me show you how to create a website with Wix the easy way, step by step. The quickest way to start is by clicking the link in the description. It'll take you straight to the Wix website where you can just click Get Started. Using this link will also give you the biggest Wix discount available. After that, you'll need to sign up. It's nothing complicated, just an email and password, or you can use your Google account. Once you're in, click Let's Get Started and select who the website is for. After that, you'll see the Wix AI questionnaire. Click Start Chat and answer a few simple questions about your future website. If you're not sure how to respond, you can ask the AI for suggestions. Don't skip any of the questions though, since they help Wix understand what kind of website you want. Once you're done, go back to the dashboard, click Design Site, and select Generate a Design. Since you already answered the questions, this is where the AI puts everything together. You can just wait or follow the AI logic on the left while your site is being built. It usually takes up to 2 minutes and you'll get a demo site. If you don't like the result, you can either regenerate the website design or tweak it until you're happy with it. Just keep in mind that you won't be able to change it later, so if you want a completely different design, you'll need to start over. Next, you'll get the option to set up your domain. It's not something you have to do right away, but if you want your website to look professional, you'll need to do it at some point. The good news is that Wix plans include a free domain for 1 year, so it's worth taking advantage of. If you need help with this, I'll show you how to set it up toward the end of this Wix tutorial. After you set up your domain or move forward with a temporary one, you can start editing your site. Well, unless you want to try templates instead. Let's jump back for a moment so I can show you the template option instead of going the AI builder route. To do that, after clicking Design Site, select Pick a Template this time. There's a lot to choose from, around 2,000 templates. So whether you need a portfolio website, a blog, or an online store across different categories, you're very likely to find something you like. You can browse templates by industry or simply use a search bar, which is what I usually do. For example, if I want to blog about cars, I just type it in and get relevant suggestions. Once you find a template you like, preview it. I recommend checking different screen sizes too, since some templates may not look as good on mobile. When you've picked your favorite, it's time to edit it and really make the site your own. This time, for real. Of course, you might like the AI builder better. If that's the case, just go back to your dashboard, then Sites, and you'll find it there. Click Edit and roll up your sleeves, because next, we'll learn how to design a website. From here on out, you're free to sprinkle in all the pages, elements, and flair your website deserves. At first glance, the editor can look a little intimidating, but hey, don't stress. I'm here to show you how it works. Besides, Wix's built-in guidance is everywhere. A great place to begin is with sections. These come pre-designed and neatly packaged, so you can just drag and drop them onto your page. For example, if you want a price list, just grab one and place it wherever you want. Elements give you even more creative freedom, but they also come with a bit more of a learning curve. They let you add individual items like text boxes, shapes, and buttons anywhere on your site. Don't be afraid to experiment. Control-Z is your best friend, and you won't accidentally break your entire website. If you're looking for a specific tool or feature, the search bar will save you from endless menu scrolling. Also, make sure to check out the mobile view, which is automatically optimized. If you're ready to publish a new blog post, head over to the My Business tab. Wix gives you plenty of customization options here. This tab acts as a full toolbox with features like online store, bookings, events, and more. Wix comes packed with tools for both business websites and personal passion projects. One of my favorite features is email marketing. I'm not huge on marketing myself, but Wix makes sending marketing emails surprisingly easy. You get ready-made templates you can customize right away, or you can even let the AI build one for you. Just open the Marketing Tools tab, choose Email Marketing, pick a design, and start customizing. Honestly, Wix is an amazing website builder for small businesses. Now, if you need something really specific, Wix also offers native business solutions. For example, if you're building a website for a restaurant, you can pick a restaurant-focused template, and Wix will let you create a site with built-in online ordering and reservation systems. You can add custom menus, manage orders, and engage customers with automated marketing campaigns, gift cards, and more. There's also a full e-commerce solution. It lets you customize product pages with conversions in mind, organize catalogs using dynamic categories, and optimize the checkout flow for a smooth customer experience. Wix also offers a booking solution. Whether you provide courses, private sessions, or other services, either in person or online, Wix Bookings includes an easy-to-use scheduling system that allows customers to book and pay for services online. I also really like how simple it is to set up in-person or online events. You can manage invites, design seating maps, sell tickets, collect RSVPs, and boost attendance with built-in marketing tools I mentioned earlier. And these are just a few of the available business solutions. As I've said a few times already, Wix is hard to beat when it comes to customization and features. You can explore all of them on the Wix website, and they even offer quick, easy-to-follow guides for each one. So you've edited your site to make it yours, and it looks like a true modern website design. That's awesome, but we're not entirely done yet, because we want your website to actually be seen and found online. That's where search engine optimization comes in. For many people, SEO sounds intimidating, but don't let it scare you. It's a crucial part of any website, and Wix makes it surprisingly simple. The built-in SEO setup checklist walks you through everything. Just click Get Started, enter a few quick questions about your site, add a handful of keywords, and you're already done with the basics. But we want more than just the basics, since it's your website after all. Wix is also one of the first website builders to offer LLM-powered SEO tools. This feature uses advanced AI to analyze your site and suggest improvements to boost visibility. You can find it in your dashboard under Marketing, then SEO and LLM SEO, or simply SEO Assistant. There you can review suggestions, generate optimized content, and spot opportunities to improve your rankings, all powered by large language models. And if you add a blog on top of all that, just like I showed you earlier, strong SEO results become much more achievable. All right, it's that time, the one we've been building toward. It's time to publish your site. Before you do, you need to choose what kind of web address your site will have. Wix gives you a free URL option, but it uses a subdomain and looks unprofessional. It works, but it's long, clunky, and not something you want to share if you're building a real brand. The better option is a custom domain, which requires a paid plan. This is where it's worth investing because something clean like yourbrand.com instantly makes your site look more professional, trustworthy, and far more memorable. Just a reminder, you can get the best Wix pricing using my discount link in the description. When choosing a domain name, I recommend keeping it as simple as possible. Pick something short so it's easy to type, make sure it's memorable, and choose a name that fits your brand and the audience you want to reach. Once you've selected and connected your domain in Wix, set it as your primary address and hit publish. Congrats! Your site is now live with a polished professional URL. Next, visit your website and give it a full check. Make sure everything looks and works the way it should. Click around, test buttons, fill out forms if needed, and see how it feels as a real visitor. And if something's off, no worries, you already know how to edit it. Considering how extensive the Wix website builder is, the whole process is actually fast and easy, especially with AI helping out at almost every step, from generating content to customizing layouts and even fine-tuning SEO. That said, there's a lot more to explore with Wix since it's impossible to cover everything it offers in a single tutorial. So now it's up to you to explore the possibilities and build your own professional site with Wix. Just don't forget to grab the best Wix coupon code from the description to get the lowest price possible before you start. Thanks for watching my tutorial on how to make a website. Happy building and see you around.